Yeah, folks, a little rain not gonna stop no show at base one. We got our Tannerite that we didn't blow up last time. You see that there? Our old Powerade bottle that never blew up. We can use that again. I got an extra half-pound in here, so now we at 1.5 pounds in a pumpkin. So let's see what we can do, y'all. I'm gonna place it right on in there, kind of line it up with the target that's on the front of the pumpkin. And we're gonna make it do what it do, folks. Put our little top back on there. Now I'm walking up to see the damage, folks. Walking up to see the damage. This is what 1.5 pounds of Tannerite did to the remainder of our old stand and the pumpkin, wherever the pumpkin is. I don't even see any bits of the pumpkin. So 1.5 pounds will get rid of anything. Well, a pumpkin at least.